you know.
Hot 103.
One, two, three.
Everyone's sick of the radio shit. You prick on the shit box all day long. All you need to catch a course and you've got a fun song. Doesn't matter if you're back up singers or on low. You can't see the tits on the radio. Catchy course and a motherfucking 8-ball your soul. My dog likes to shit. My dog likes to shit. My dog likes to shit on the radio. Dog likes to shit. Wheeler can suck his dick. My dog likes to shit on the radio. Jimmy Jenner's cut her all fucking dead. They wrote shitty songs but they still got head. Who's gonna suck me off when I'm picking up my bed? Now man give me a shooter and a beer and a bong, an out of tune guitar and I'll write a better fucking song. My dog likes to shit. My dog likes to shit. My dog likes to shit on the radio. Dog likes to shit. Creeper can show her tits. My dog likes to shit on the radio. My dog's so constipated, I watched him masturbated. How did he do that shit with no love? I'll sell it to the record stores. Watch the kids as they cry for more. Stupid sellout fucking up. My dog likes to shit. My dog likes to shit. My dog likes to shit on the